Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the platform supports a gallery widget and that you have access rights. This avoids dead ends later. Next, gather your images, optimize to web-friendly sizes, and organize file names and metadata so the widget can index them. Then enable any required APIs or storage permissions. Think CDN, Media Bucket, or local assets. Once these pieces are in place, you're ready to install or enable the gallery component and move into configuration without wasting time. Now you configure the widget. Select the layout, grid, masonry, or carousel, and set image ratios such as 16:9 or square for consistency. Map your data. Point the widget to src, alt, caption, and link fields so accessibility and SEO are preserved. Then fine-tune performance options like lazy load, prefetch, and thumbnail generation. Finally, adjust styling, spacing, column counts, hover effects, and define responsive breakpoints so the gallery adapts smoothly across devices. Finish by testing the gallery on multiple devices and browsers, simulating slow connections to confirm performance. Make final optimizations like enabling caching, compressing images, and providing responsive src set so the right file serves to each screen. When you deploy, verify analytics and click behavior. If something breaks, first inspect console errors, confirm asset paths and core settings, and disable recent plugins to find conflicts. This targeted troubleshooting gets you back on track quickly when issues appear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.